Nissan Altima?
So my car model is a Nissan Altima 2006. So
Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change a 2006 Nissan Altima rear brake pad. So I already opened this. So I remove the screw. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a new brake pad. You know, the old one is like a warm up. They worn, so they gone and they start giving trouble to my rotor. So I'm going to put I got a new one from Adventure Auto. So I'm going to open this up. So I'm going to show you how to put a new one. So I'm going to show you how I remove already tire. Everybody know how to remove tire. So I show you on next one and what I did. Okay, just tune with me. So I show you. So what I'm going to do, I got lubrication. So I'm going to put it on back side of brake pad. So when you put it in the back, it's easy to install. You know, they go in easy. So I put a grease on it. On this area also. So I put a grease in it. I put a inside one in. So I'm gonna put an outside one in. So you put a lubrication on it, so it's easy go in. You can see. Put it here. So see, this one got sensor, it's gonna go inside, and the other one is gonna go outside. See, they both on place. I don't know why they have those sensors. They should not have the sensor in the back brake pad. So already set in place. So I'm gonna try to push my caliper. It's not too hard to do it. You can do it by yourself. See, I'm gonna push my caliper all the way down. Old one is totally gone, so I just take it with me. So I match it, they perfect match. So caliper all the way back. So what I'm gonna do, move this. It's not too hard. Everybody can do it at home. It's 2006 Nissan Altima 2.5S. So I will do those kind of stuff at home. So I didn't learn from nowhere. I just start doing it and I learn. That's all. I'm gonna tie my screw up. That's it. Job done. One side is done. Other side, I'm gonna do it. It takes you only 5 minutes to do it. It's not too hard. I'll show you on the other side too. So this side I'm gonna show you how to change. So I'm gonna open. This is easy to open. It's not too hard. So I got old one, and Nissan have a some Nissan have like a 2-wheel front wheel brake like a Honda, and this Nissan Altima have a all 4-wheel brake. So when we use brake, it's gonna be It's not like only front brake, it's back brake gonna work too. I moved the old one, you see this? All gone. And this one making sound very bad. So if not, I'm gonna try to tap with, get a screwdriver, see come out. It's not too hard, it's easy. That's my old one. I'm gonna throw in the garbage later. So what I'm gonna do, I have a lubrication on it. So see, I put it in the already. See, they go easy. It's not too hard. Yeah, anybody can do it. I recommend everybody. You can save a lot of money. It's like almost $100 if you go outside. So you're gonna put it like a lubrication, like grease over here. Then you can put a grease in the back, so it's easy to install. Make sure this thing around go in the corner over here. See, easy go in. So what I'm gonna do next, make this thing. Okay, my son here to help me too. See my son? He also helped me too. He talking in my language, okay? Here my son. So I already done this. So I'm gonna push my caliper back, this one. So you can see I'm gonna pushing back the caliper. It's not too hard, anybody can do it at home. And you can save a lot of money doing this. I save a lot of money working on my car. I do all the way by myself. It takes you a couple only minutes. You can see, I change both in a couple of minutes. See, already on place. And when you tie the screw, make sure you don't tie it over tight. You don't tie it like too much. And also my son is only 3-year-old and he always wanna help me a lot. And sometimes he messed up. See, all done. That's take you like 5 minutes to do it. So please like and subscribe my channel so I can put on more video. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question or you need any help, you can leave me comment. You can leave me comment below. I will give you answer soon as soon possible. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.